Why am I retiring this size 0 rigger brush for this size 8? It says here 2-layer liner brush. I'll show you. Hi everyone, I'm Cindy from CLM Creative and welcome to my channel. And today's video, I was playing around with this brush and I'm like, you know what? Rigger, I'm retiring you. I'll show you why. And then I bought this months ago actually in AliExpress. This Paul Rubens 24 half pan watercolor set. Yes, guess why? 3 guesses. This tin is just stunning. It's just gorgeous. And the Paul Rubens paints are just gorgeous too. Look at that. They're beautiful. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to use this. Put it here. And I did a swatch. Colors are just stunning. But we're not talking about this right now. I did buy this tin in AliExpress. They had a sale several months ago. And I paid like $14 for this. No joke. $14.50, I think. Something like that. $14.99, I think. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it. So, yep, here it is. Been playing with it too. Let me give it a quick spritz. And this isn't going to be a long video. I bought this from Temu. Like, I did a couple of hauls. I already filmed a couple of Temu hauls. They have yet to go public. But I did buy this because look at the side. Look at this. I never saw anything like this. And I first saw this in was it Fumuni? Fumuni, I could never pronounce their brand. Oops, sorry. Fumuni website. They have similar brushes to this. And they have sets, and I think they have individuals, but I think they had a set of 4 for $49 or $44 or something. I'll put it up. And I'm like, you know, I really can't afford that, but this in Temu was $4.59, and that's much more reasonable. And they're sold out as of August 21st, 2025. So I'm like, oh, rats, because I wanted to buy a smaller brush. But this is a size 8, and it says here Artsecret 2-layer liner. That's what it says here. So it's a size 8, and I was playing around with it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to retire this rigger. So I'm going to use this pad. This is this is from Dunzoom. This pad's from Dunzoom. 5x5 by 8x5, 140-pound, 300 GSMs. This is 100% cotton, even though it doesn't say it here. It should. Watercolor, 30 sheets. Get a pack of 6 for like $32, which I think it's amazing. So let me show you why I'm going to retire the rigger brush. I'll use this. I'll use this purple. Let me see. Let me just put this down here and show you why. You could vary the widths too. This could go on and on and on. Look at that. There's no dry brush effect here too. Wow, look at that. I could just go on with this. Okay, I'll stop now since it's really fading. But you get my point, right? You see what I'm saying? Look at that. That's from this, that's what's from this brush. Now for the rigger. Let's check out the rigger brush. Let me use this green. And let me see. It does create a finer line because this is size a smaller size than the brush the other brush. But look, see, it's starting to do dry. You begin to see the dry effect, and it went from pure pigment to light really quick, as opposed to this. Look, this is an excellent reason why. Look at that. And then when I was playing around with this brush, I realized that it will also make great leaves. Look at this. I'll explain. See, you do this, and then you do this. You see? Look at that. Perfect leaf. Also do this. Also. See? This has a dual purpose. A rigger cannot do this. Play around. It's awesome. On top of that, let me see if I could do a quick flower too. Why not? Let me see. Oh, I see one hair there. Let's see if I could do this. Well, you could do a flower like that. Well, that's nice. Oops. Whoa. Yeah, you could do a flower too. Let me see something. Now I want to really play. What else should I use? I should use, why not use this purple? Use this purple. Let's see. Yeah. Open the belly. This can make really nice flowers as well. You open the belly this way. It's running out of pigment. So yeah. So this has a dual purpose, or multiple purposes, I should say. I could continue playing with this. It's just, oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. I like you. I like you a lot. So that's the reason why, these are the reasons why I'm going to retire this rigger brush. This brush basically can only do one thing, and that's to create a fine line. Whereas this one, although this is a size 8 and it's thicker than this line, it could create a equally fine line like forever. Like, look at this. Big difference between the two. And you could create wonderful leaves and flowers. So, hey, I like you a lot. You're great. Too bad you're sold out because I want to get some more smaller sizes. And for what, $4.59? You can't go wrong. I'm sure it's going to be back in stock again at Temu. They do restock pretty quickly. So that's the reason why I'm retiring this rigger brush. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.